Welcome back. Thank you for joining us today. So today I'm just showcasing a simple bed sitter in Juja. So when you enter, the first thing is you see is the kitchen area on your left. Then you have the bedroom area on your right. And your washroom is right here. So next I'm just going to show you how the outside looks like, then we are going to go to the next bed sitter. The price of this one is 7,000 Kenyan shillings per month, which is inclusive of water, meaning you don't have to pay water bills. This is the second bed sitter we are showcasing, and the price is 8,500 shillings per month.